along with the clips for the wall, there's clips, panel clips for the MDF sign itself. They're labeled A, B, and C. There's a bag of screws for the wall mount and a bag of screws for the MDF sign clips. And we're going to show you right now where they're going to mount. Now, we're going to mount those panel clips at 3 locations. This is A location, B location, and C location. Once you've mounted these clips with the sign face down, all the holes should line up perfectly so that you don't hit any of these grooves, and don't try to alter it. But we will also supply these for bracing in the center, because you're going to have to lay out a blanket and assemble this face down so that the clips actually line up with the clips on the wall. You will have about a half-inch drop once you push this sign against the wall and drop it on those clips. It'll be a half-inch drop. But we're sending that with foam around it so that it's spaced off and it doesn't scratch as well.